Hello, my name is Janelle Bognot and ito yung asawa ko si Jude Paolo Bognot. At nag-enroll kami dito sa Cafe Mart at masasabi ko lang marami kaming natutunan talaga sa paggawa ng kape before kami mag-attempt na magbukas ng business, coffee shop. So, marirecommend ko siya kasi hindi lang nila kami tinuruan kung paano gumawa ng simple coffee. Maraming proseso pala. So, natutunan namin na ang coffee pala is art. Like, hindi lang siya talaga paggawa ng kape, beans, machine, tas yun na. Kailangan mo pala talagang mag-invest ng time, tapos tao and everything, naintindihan namin lahat, pati yung mga pagko-cost, na hindi lang basta-basta dapat mag-open ng business. Ganon. So, ayun, lastly, thank you sa Cafe Mart dahil ngayon, lumawak na yung knowledge namin na hindi lang kami basta-basta magtatayo at meron kaming knowledge para gamitin ito doon. So, thank you. Yun lang.
Okay.
So,
hello, good evening. So, pangalan kay Paolo. So, husband ni Janelle. Same sentiments naman sa kanya. So, basically, after ng training, I feel empowered to build our own brand of coffee. And after the training, actually, na-feel namin na may sarili palang mundo yung coffee. So, hindi siya ganun kasimple na we thought na after magbayad, okay na, etc. So, ayun, hopefully after this, we can move forward with our own business, no? And special thanks to Cafe Mart for also helping us bridge the gap, no? Doon sa knowledge na kailangan namin. So, for everyone watching, we encourage you to enroll here in Cafe Mart. Very helpful, very worth it yung one whole day training.